In this problem, we're being asked to find the greatest common factor of three different numbers. Remember, a factor is something that a number can be divided by. So 70 has 7 and 10 as factors. I can divide this by 7. I can divide it by 10. What we want to do is see if we can list all the factors for each of these three numbers and then see what's the biggest one that they have in common. The way I do this, I usually start with just 1 and the number. So 1 and 70 are definitely factors. And this is divisible by 2, so I could take out my calculator and divide it by 2, and I'd get 35. It's not divisible by 3, and it's not divisible by 4. I've got my calculator, so I can punch it in if I'm not sure and test it. It is divisible by 5. If I divide that by 5, I get 14. Not divisible by 6. It is divisible by 7. And if I divide it by 7, I get 10. And I think we're at the end. There's nothing else in between. So 1, 2, 5, 10, 14, 35, and 70. Let's try this with 30. It should go a little quicker. So again, 1 and 30. We'll leave a little less room this time. It's divisible by 2. That would be 2 and 15. It's divisible by 3. We'd get 3 and 10. And let's see, divisible by 4. No. Divisible by 5. Yep, we'd get 5 and 6. Didn't leave enough room this time. And I think that's it. I think it's not going to be divisible by 7 or 8 or 9. So yeah, we're done. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. And let's try it for 50. 1 and 50. So it is divisible by 2. That would give us 25. And let's see, not divisible by 3. Not divisible by 4. It is divisible by 5. That would give us 5 and 10. Not divisible by 6 or 7 or 8 or 9. So yeah, we've done it. 1, 2, 5, 10, 25, and 50. And now we just need to find what's the largest factor they all have in common. And it's jumping out at me. I'm seeing 10, 10, and 10. And I don't think there's anything else bigger than that they all have in common. So the greatest common factor of 70, 30, and 50 is 10. So that is a little bit of work in finding the greatest common factor of three numbers.